Hello there, I'm Evasan Paul, and in this video today I'll show you how to expand your partition. You can quickly do this by following this step. Press Windows S on your keyboard. Go to Disk Management. Here you can see the current size that contains data that are needed to expand. Go to Extend Volume. Hit the next button. Now you can see the size here. The current size of which I want to expand. You can see by the right hand corner you see unallocated disks with the same size of what is showing here. Next, and finish. So presently we are not having any unallocated disks right here, so it has added up to the existing one, that existing partition, making it 231. Okay, 237 as against the initial one something gig. Close it. And that's how you can actually increase the volume of your hard drive. Here we have the size of the disks now, 237 as against 132. So thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video and subscribe, and see you in the next video.